Morning students. Yesterday we saw some questions and examples of homogeneous differential equation. Today we will study for next exercise 9.6 and the topic is linear differential equation. Of first order. What is its meaning? First, let me explain you that already we have discussed two kinds of questions: variable separable, then homogeneous, and lastly I am telling you the linear differential equation. Linear differential equation of first order. First of all, you should know the pattern. The pattern of the question will be dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are either function of x or constant. When question will come in this format, it means it is a linear differential equation. And it will not be stated anywhere that it is a homogeneous type or it is a variable separable type or it is a linear type. You have to understand by your own that what is this. I already have taught you about variable separable. When term of x and term of y, they are either in multiplication or in division, they will use a variable separable method. Second thing, homogeneous differential equation, where dy by dx equal to the numerator and denominator must have a same power, or y by x or x by y. If these terms are coming, meaning it will be done by the homogeneous situation. And now the third is when equations are neither variable separable type nor homogeneous type, it will be only done by the linear type dy by dx plus py equal to q. Let me explain very good thing that one more type we are having dx by dy plus px equal to q, where p and q are function of y. This is just opposite, you can understand, but this is out of syllabus. According to the new syllabus, now it is not in your new syllabus, you don't worry about this. So we will only study the question dy by dx plus py equal to q. So how we can solve? Please catch the method. First of all, you will find the integrating factor, shortly called IF. You will find integrating factor which is e to the power always p dx. It is a certain thing. I am telling you direct concept, direct method. So please keep remember. IF you will find. IF meaning integrating factor, e to the power integration p dx. After finding IF, you will find the solution. And solution will be y into if is equal to q into if into dx, and I am writing plus c already here. If you don't want to write c, okay, no matter, but ultimately you will have to use the c because you will integrate the term now. So okay, I am writing c only, and write remember this as a formula: y into if equal to integration q into if dx plus c. We will follow this situation. So okay, first of all, if your equation is looking like that, you judge p and q. You first find the values of p and q, which will be either function of x or they maybe constant. And then second, find if, which is called integrating factor, which is equal to e to the power integration p dx, and then you will have an answer. Solution y into if equal to, you can see, integration q into if dx plus c. So this is only the method I have told you. Now let me take one question. I am not running that section. First of all, let's see some question. From the 9.6. For the 9.6, I am telling you example number 19. Example number 19, which is dy by dx minus y is equal to cos x. This is very easy question. let me explain one more thing, that this type is one of the important type ever. I mean to say may come in exam, this type. Okay, so this is my question, dy by dx minus y equal to cos x. Now first of all, look at the pattern, and I am telling you lots of things. First, whenever the question will be in front of you, what you will do now, you first take you write dy by dx separate, and you write cos x plus y. Now think from the beginning that either does variable separable use here, does variable separable use here. Variable separable says x and y term should not be in plus or minus sign. It is in plus sign, so we cannot use a variable separable method. Second, homogeneous. Homogeneous type is a unique type. dy by dx equal to the homogeneous upon homogeneous should come with the same power, or x upon y term or y by x term should include in this equation. That time we can do the question by the homogeneous method. But this time it is not so. So it is completely looking like, can you see? Now the term is not very important for us because this is looking, can you compare? On comparing by, can you compare dy by dx plus py equal to q? Same looking, you know, dy by dx plus py equal to q. Say p is equal to minus 1, q is equal to cos x. P and q are either constant or function of x. Okay. Now first of all, you will find if. If meaning e to the power p dx. So if you write e to the power pp is minus 1, and lastly it is minus x. Don't write c because lastly we will use c. So don't write c again and again. Okay, we will drop our if here only, e to the power minus x. Now this is my solution. So let me rub, and we will write here the solution. So solution is, what is solution? Y into if, q into if, dx plus c. This is my solution. Now put in the values. Y into if. So what is if? E to the power minus x. Q. So what is q? Q is equal to cos x. If dx plus c. C you can write lastly, no matter at all. If I am writing initially, it is still okay. The question is how we can deal this problem. We have to integrate that term. So I won't waste time. You have to recall all the previous knowledge in the integration. In 7 chapters we studied all about. This is the formula e to the power ax cos bx, which is having a formula e to the power ax upon a square plus b square, a cos bx plus b sin bx. This is the formula. If you remember this law, you are in profit. Otherwise, you have to do the hard work. Meaning, e to the power ax cos bx, e to the power ax cos bx, almost same. So a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 1. So you will have a value. Now you can put please here and get answer. Like y e to the power minus x is equal to, we start by using formula e to the power ax, meaning minus x. You know, a is equal to minus 1 and b equal to 1. So minus 1 square and 1 square is 1 and 1 2. A meaning minus 1, b meaning 1, b meaning 1, sin b meaning 1, and plus c. So this is the answer. Now you can modify a little bit. E to the power minus x is here, e to the power minus x here. So we divide to all by e to the power minus x. You will have only y. You will have 1 by 2 only. It's same. I would write sin x minus cos x, no matter at all, plus c upon e to the power minus x, meaning c to the power x. So this is only by dividing e to the power minus x whole of the equation, you will have a solution of the differential equation. So please follow the method only. I didn't tell you all the derivation here, how we got the solution here. It is also actually a derivation behind it, but right now it is time wasting. So that I am telling you only the method. First of all, you will find if, and then you will find the solution. So this is the thing. Okay. Now let me put some question for you. It's very easy method. Very easy method. We'll do it. More question. It was example number 19. Now I'll put example number 20. This is a x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square. Okay, I always suggest you one thing. whenever the question is in front of you, definitely you first find value of dy by dx alone, like x into dy by dx equal to x square minus 2y, you will try, and 2 divided by x, like that, like that. And afterward think that what is this? This is x, and the term of x and y are in minus sign, so it cannot be done by the variable separation method. Can you see the power? X to the power 2 and y to the power 1, it is not homogeneous. So what is remaining? Linear equation. So we will arrange. How to arrange? We only first separate the term x square by x is x, and it is 2y by x. Can you see? And what is the type? dy by dx plus py, meaning the term of y should be with the dy by dx. So dy by dx plus py, meaning 2 by xy. Can you see? 2 by xy equal to only x. Now you can check that what is p and what is q. dy by dx plus py, p meaning 2 by x and q meaning x. You are having p and q. So you will find first if, which is meaning e to the power p dx. So what is the p? 2 by x dx. Now 2 is constant value, 1 by x, have integration log x, log x. So one can use the mod, but without it is I think beneficial, so I'm not using mod here. 2 will be transferred upside because I have log there, e to the power log x square. You know power m log n equal to log n to the power n was there. So log x square, it has been now. You remember that whenever e to the power log comes, e and log cancel itself, so only answer is x square. You should remember that e to the power log x equal to x, we read in differentiation, e to the power log x equal to x. So e to the power log x square will be x square, e and log cancel itself. Don't cancel, don't show it, but it is same meaning, x square. Now after finding the IF, you find the solution is y into IF, q into IF, dx plus c. Put to the values. What is IF? X square. What is q? X. What is IF? X square dx. And the easiest term ever have read, x cube dx. The integration of x cube, you know it, x to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. This is the answer. You can divide by x square. You can divide by x square. It will be y. It is x square, and it is c upon x square. It will be your answer. You have divided by x square. This is the answer. So I don't think it's a problematic so-called method it is. First you will identify and recognize that what kind of question is and by which method it can be solved. So question will be easy to you. Okay. The next thing, next question I am telling you. All example I will tell you, but your duty, you know it. Telling you now the question number 21, example 21. Find a general solution y dx x plus 2y square dy is equal to 0. This is actually type dx by dy. It is not in your syllabus, so I am leaving it. Keep remember 21 question is out of syllabus. You please drop it. 22 I am telling you. dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to 2x plus x square cot x, where y is equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2. One should aware about the sentence. Whenever this sentence will be coming, meaning you are told to find the particular solution. Meaning in the case last, when c arbitrary constant will be there in the solution, we will find the value of that arbitrary constant. Ultimately we will put there, will be called a particular solution. Whenever this condition is given, it means you are told to find particular solution. Okay, so how we can go with this question already arranged? dy by dx plus py equal to q. So I don't want to waste the time and so on. I will write only p. dy by dx plus py, p meaning cot x, and q meaning 2x plus x square cot x. Keep remember, all the right hand side is your q. Now we will find if e to the power p dx. So e to the power, what is p? Cot x. And what is integration of cot? Log sin x. You remember, log sin x. This time mod can be used no matter, but for convenient condition I am not using mod. E to the power log will cancel each other. You remember right now in the previous question I taught you that e and log will cancel itself. So e to the power log cancel and only sin x is remaining. So okay. Lastly, after doing so, we will find the solution. Y into if is equal to q into if dx plus c. Put the values. If is equal to sin x. Q is equal to 2x plus x square cot x. This is the term. And here it is if meaning sin x dx plus c. Now I will find the further values. Look at y sin x is equal to, I will multiply 2x sin x, x square cot x sin x. dx plus c. Afterward, y sin x. I break in two parts. First integration and second integration. Can you see? This is cot meaning cos by sin. So sin and sin will cancel. So only cos will remain here. Now we have two terms, this and this. So okay, I'll go with this. And please see the importance of the question. I am not doing this term, and by Eilert law I will take this one. Eilert law will take this one. You will, when I will do this question, you will come to know that how beautiful the term was there. You know the cancellation law. Cancellation law, you heard it in the chapter 7th integrals. I taught you cancellation method. Same it is gonna be happen. Look at first term. The integration of second, which is sin x, minus differentiation of first 2x, integration of second sin x, and whole integration plus c. So can you see, this is only the multiplication law I use. First term, integration of second, minus differentiation of first, integration of second, and whole integration. Can you see these two terms are cancel itself? It's a 2x sin x, that is 2x sin x, plus and minus cancel to each other. So y into sin x is equal to x square sin x plus c is your answer. But you should understand that it is not complete your answer because it is in the form of c, which is arbitrary constant. We are having some good values here. We will put in it answer. Can you see this quotient? When x is equal to pi by 2, we have a y is equal to 0. Put up here y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0, sin no matter at all, and x square meaning pi square by 4, but sin x, sin 90, 1 plus c. So this is the answer. C equal to minus pi square by 4 and by 1. This is my one equation. The PS will be, particular solution will be y sin x is equal to x square sin x, and instead of c I write pi square by 4. So this is the answer called a particular solution. So whenever the values are given, you can find value of c easily. So this is the way of doing the question you got, I think. So very easy questions, no matter at all. We have a one word problem I want to share also with you here. Example number 23. This is only the hope that you can make all the question of the exercise easily. Example 23 is find the equation of curve. Find the equation of curve passing through the point 0, 1. If the slope of the tangent at the point xy, you remember the terminology. This is a tangent, it is a point P, and slope of the tangent called dy by dx is equal to the sum of x coordinate and product of x and y coordinate. Very easy. So I would write here something. According to question, first of all I write here the slope of, we know the slope of tangent of the curve at xy is none else but it is dy by dx. You should remember that slope of any tangent at the point xy of the curve is always called dy by dx. So according to question, that slope, it is written if the slope of tangent at the point xy is equal to sum of x coordinate and you know x coordinate is x, y coordinate is y. Sum of x coordinate and the product of x and y coordinate, you know, x into y. So this is the equation. Now can you think it is already made equation like what? Dy by dx, I will transfer to this term here, minus xy is equal to x. So this is a linear equation, dy by dx plus py equal to q. So what is a p and what is q? P is minus x and q is x. So I will find first if e to the power p dx. So what is if now? E to the power p meaning minus x. So your answer is minus x square by 2. This is my if. So solution is y into if equal to q into if dx plus c. Put the values. If meaning e to the power minus x square by 2. So q meaning x. If e to the power minus x square by 2 dx plus c. Now only to solve this problem, how we can deal this problem? So I tell you one thing, it is x square by 2, it is x. So I assume it is t. Let minus x square by 2 is equal to t, meaning minus x square equal to 2t, meaning 2x d differentiation. Minus 2x dx equal to 2 dt. 2 and 2 cancel. So x dx will be minus dt. I did transfer to minus sign there. Now after doing this, let me rub this section because already all things had complete have done here. So you already have found if, which is the solution if. Solution I have written x dx equal to minus dt. Now put to the values. Y e to the power minus x square by 2 was there. X dx is equal to minus dt. And e to the power, that whole was t. And plus c. So last three minuses come out, e to the power t have an integration same, plus c, and put to the value of t which is minus x square by 2 plus c. Y e to the power minus x square by 2. Divide by e to the power minus x square by 2, it will be 1, and it will be c e to the power x square by 2. You should remember you have divided by e to the power minus x square by 2, so it will both cancel, and c upon e to the power minus x square by 2 will go upside and will have same term. So this is not an answer because it is equation of curve in a c, but we are given that this curve is passing from 0 1, and now you have come to know why this the sentence is given. This the sentence given for finding the value of c. So we will write, since this curve passes through the point 0 1, so this point will satisfy. So this is 1, and c, this point is 0. X is equal to 0. You know, this curve is passing from this point, so point will satisfy this. So ultimately we have a c, this is 1 and c equal to 2. And put here c, by 1. The solution equation of curve is y is equal to minus 1 plus c e to the power, sorry, c meaning 2, e to the power x square by 2. So this is the way of doing so. So hope you have got, these were all examples I have taught you. Similar questions you can make by your own. Chapter is over from my side. Yes, miscellaneous exercises still remaining, but we will wait for the time. First of all, we want to finish the syllabus from my side. Please do the practice and hard work from your side. Thank you.